Okay guys, I finally got my dedicated plug installed for my Buller iron that I've had for a few years. And with this style of iron, it's got a gallon of water in it, a heating element, and it's got to bring it up to boil, and then it's got to build pressure. So you got to turn it on about 30 minutes before you use it and let it preheat, and then you'll be good all day long. But I'm hemming some pants here. I had 6 of these to do. I'm down to my last one, and I've got some wash away tape on here, so I'll hit it here real quickly and see if you can see the steam come out. It's like a dry steam. It's not as wet as the gravity feed irons were, which kind of drove me crazy at times because they were wet. And this one is dry. So make that stick down good. But anyway, now that I've got my iron hooked up and everything, I'll be able to do the pants sew along that I've been promising for forever, it seems like. And so it's going to probably take about 4 or 5 days because I'm busy during the day. I have to do it at night and I only have limited time to do it. So give me a few days and I'll post it. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you the iron that I finally got hooked up and ready to go. So that's it for now, guys. Take care.